Hi everyone, welcome back to Originality.ai Weekly Newsletter Update. My name's Kristen and I'm the Community Marketing Coordinator here at Originality.ai and your host. Today's update is full of exciting news, including a conference announcement, some meta stats, a podcast feature, a few reminders, and this week's shoutouts. So let's get into it. Our Director of Marketing and Sales, Maddie, is heading from Canada to Asia very soon for Chiang Mai SEO, Asia's biggest search conference. She'll be delivering a high-level workshop on AI content in Google's search landscape, the risks, ethics, and opportunities for SEOs. If you're attending Chiang Mai SEO, don't miss Maddie's session. It'll be packed with live data, real-world case studies, and insights into how AI-generated content is reshaping SEO strategy, plus what Google's evolving policies mean for your business and your rankings. What's a place 2.11 billion people visit every day? If you guessed Facebook, you're right. We just dropped a new blog post covering 20 plus Meta, Instagram, and Facebook statistics you need to know in 2025. From where audiences are spending their time to what's converting best to the rise of Meta AI and its record-breaking $47.52 billion revenue in Q2 2025. This article has everything marketers need to know about Meta's 2025 strategy. Check out the full blog post on the Originality AI blog with the link below. Maddie also recently shared some of our top Originality AI SEO secrets on the Edward Sturm podcast. She breaks down how we became one of the biggest SEO success stories in the AI space, including our content marketing strategy, how we earn high-quality backlinks from digital PR and data studies, and how to avoid Google penalties regarding AI-written content. If you're into SEO, AI content, or sustainable growth, this episode is a must-listen, and you can find it linked below. If you ever miss a newsletter or prefer to watch instead of read, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly recaps. Last week's episode gave you an early look at Deep Scan, so check it out if you haven't already, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. And if you haven't joined our Facebook community yet, this is your sign. Join a growing network of creators, marketers, and educators who are keeping content authentic and original in this age of AI. Be the first to hear about updates, connect with other creators, and learn from the Originality AI team directly. You can find us at the link below. And while you're on Facebook, give our page a follow. A huge thank you to everyone who's left a review on Trustpilot. We're proud to maintain a 4.5-star rating thanks to our incredible support team and to all of you. Your feedback helps us keep building the most accurate AI detector in the industry. Thank you so much for tuning in into this week's update. Be sure to check out our blog for the full studies, the Edward Sturm podcast with Maddie, and join our Facebook community today. And follow all of our socials to keep up to date in between. I'll see you next week, but until then, stay original with Originality AI.